Jackie no understand. We put sign outside cave. We put smoke signal out for weekend deal, but no one come by rack tool. Huh? Whoa! 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 Where'd Jackie go? Oh, what this?
Welcome, Jackie. Looks like you took a wrong turn through the time travel portal. So how's the new business venture going?
Jackie no understand business. Me put sign outside cave, but no one come by rack tool.
Ah, primitive tactics. You must upgrade, my ancient friend. We harness the power of social media. In just a few clicks, you can reach thousands, even millions of people, without ever having to leave your cave.
Social media? That big village gossip rock?
Close, but instead of scratching on walls, we use posts, videos, and ads to reach the right people at the right time.
No more yelling from mountain?
Nope, just strategy.
Jackie ready. Teach me future tricks.
If you like these kinds of videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more videos like this.
Hit button. No more cave marketing. Let go!
Number 1, set clear goals for your social media. Know why you're posting. Social media is one of the most powerful tools for small businesses today. But most business owners either post randomly and hope for the best, try to be on every platform and end up burning out, or expect overnight success and then get discouraged when it doesn't happen.
Yeah, social media is kind of like working out. You can't just go to the gym once and expect abs right away.
Exactly. It takes strategy, consistency, and patience. And today we're breaking down exactly how to make social media work for your business, step by step.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the right platforms, create content without stress, build an engaged audience, and how to actually use social media to grow your business. Number 2, choose the right platforms. Know where you're posting. So many small businesses think they need to be on every platform. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, X, MySpace.
No, not MySpace.
Okay, fair. But seriously, picking the right platform is what matters. When it comes to social media, choosing the right platform makes all the difference. If your small business sells products that people need to see, think boutiques, restaurants, or salons, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are perfect to visually showcase your style and flair. For professional services, consultants, or B2B companies, LinkedIn and YouTube are your best bet to share your expertise and build trust with your audience. If your customers tend to be a bit older, let's say over 30, Facebook is still the place to hang out. Go live, join groups, and engage directly with your community. And if you're looking to showcase your brand creatively or potentially go viral, who doesn't love that? TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are ideal for reaching new audiences and amplifying your visibility, especially for retail, e-commerce, and even restaurants.
For example, let's look at a local boutique. They sell trendy clothing, so Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for visual content. They can create try-on hauls, outfit ideas, and fashion tips to engage their audience.
And now, let's say you run an accounting firm. You might think, why do I even need a social media? But LinkedIn would be perfect for educational posts about tax saving tips, case studies about how you help businesses save money, or client testimonials to build credibility.
The key is to go where your audience already is, not just where you think you should be. Number 3, user-generated content. Let your customers market for you. One of the most powerful and effortless ways to build trust and grow your business on social media, user-generated content.
AKA, your customers are doing your marketing for you.
When real people post about your business, it feels more authentic than any ad. Think about it. Who do you trust more? A business saying, our products are great, or a happy customer showing why they love your product?
Okay, so how do you get people to post about you? You can't just sit there and hope it happens. Here's 4 ways how. Number 1, encourage customers to tag you. Put a sign in your store, add a reminder in emails, or simply ask in your captions. Number 2, create a branded hashtag. This makes it easy to track posts from customers. Number 3, run a UGC contest. Offer a discount or prizes to encourage customers to share their experience. Number 4, offer an incentive. Give customers a shout out, a freebie, or a discount if they share a post about your product. Number 4, repurpose and reuse content. Work smarter, not harder. Creating fresh content every single day is exhausting. Instead, repost your content across platforms.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Will reposting content annoy my audience? Nope. It's not lazy, boring, or even a sneaky little hack. It's actually one of the smartest things you can do. Think about it. Social media moves faster than TikTok trends. And the truth is, most people don't see your post the first time around. They might be busy, offline, or just scrolling way too fast. So don't stress about reposting. It's all part of making sure your content actually gets the attention it deserves. For example, turn a blog post into an X thread. Take a TikTok and post it as an Instagram reel and a YouTube short. Turn customer reviews into a carousel post. Let's say you make a 30-second product video for TikTok. Instead of letting it die after one post, you can post it as a reel on Instagram. You can turn it into a GIF for Facebook. You can use screenshots to create a carousel post. You can even upload it to Pinterest with a link to your product.
So remember, one piece of content can become multiple posts, saving you time while helping you reach way more people.
Number 5, scheduling and automation. Post without stress.
If you're just posting whenever you remember, you're doing it wrong. Use scheduling tools like Hootsuite, Later, or Canva Planner to make your life easier. Batch create content once a week or even once a month if you're feeling ambitious, and always post at times when your audience is most active. Because you don't want your amazing content getting lost in the shuffle.
For example, if you know your audience is most active at 8 p.m., but you're usually busy at that time, scheduling lets you post at the best time without stress. So there you have it, your complete social media strategy.
No more guessing, just smart strategies, consistency, and growth.
Now, we want to hear from you. What's your biggest social media challenge? Drop it in the comments and we'll help you out. I'm Chai.
And I'm Jackie.
And we'll see you next time with more exciting small business news.
How'd Jackie get home now?
Believe in small business.
I don't know how this is supposed to go.